A court marshal, a police officer, and dozens of customers were on Tuesday afternoon locked in the New Building Society headquarters for a period of 3 hours after management of the lending institution refused to comply with a court order to seize several items in regards to a case between former CEO Maurice Arjun and NBS. Arjun's lawyer, attorney-at-law Sanjeev Dattadin, arrived at the institution's Lot 1 Avenue of the Republic, Georgetown location with officers and court marshals requesting access to the building, but security officials inside locked the doors, preventing anyone from going in or out. An hour and a half later, Deputy Commander of A Division Wendell Blanham arrived at the scene and requested the court order from the lawyers and demanded access to the building. But the lawyers and the police were still denied access. Dattadin told reporters that his client is frustrated after the institution was given a court order back in December to pay $59 million for wrongful dismissal 12 years ago.
An appeal is pending, but you know the way the world works. There was a judgment, they filed an appeal, they applied for a stay of execution, that stay is refused. The appeal, the extant appeal is still pending. There's no order to stop. The order is made for judgment. The Court of Appeal affirmed that there's no stay of execution on that judgment. So we're carrying it out.
After the arrival of the attorneys representing the interests of the institution, the deputy commander then cautioned them about the serious implications the bank could face for wrongfully locking in the court martial and officers inside the building. The attorney for NBS, Pauline Chase, in association with her father, attorney Ashton Chase, then provided reasons to justify the option exercised by the New Building Society not to comply with the order of the court.
There's an application pending with regard to the other part of the judgment. So our position is that we ought properly await the hearing and determination of the full bench of that matter before the stay, or rather before the levy is executed. It's quite irregular for it to be done in that kind of way. Let the process of the court run, and then we can move.
The marshals were only able to seize a vehicle belonging to the company. As of 16 hours Tuesday afternoon, police and other officials were still standing outside. Javon Vickery, HGP Nightly News.